It looks like Huawei does have a solution for their Android license being revoked, and yeah, it gets interesting. Samsung's new 5x optical zoom seems to be ready and might be coming to a mystery phone this year. And the Honor 20 was just launched, and we're already get a hands-on, and obviously that topic is interesting too. I'm Jaime Rivera, and this trip to London has been, again, interesting because of everything that's going on in the States. We've got a lot to report. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals if you're in the market for the Galaxy S10. There's an eBay seller that has the dual SIM unlocked variant for cheap, and it just got cheaper. $520 if you want the S10e, $600 if you want the Galaxy S10, and $700 if you want to get the Galaxy S10 Plus. Do I need to say more? You can follow the link in the description for information. Now let's talk about Apple, as I am upset. I just got a 15-inch MacBook Pro, and now they just updated it. We were waiting for a 16-inch variant, and apparently that's not going to happen. Right now we've got a new 6-core and 8-core 15-inch MacBook Pro, and then the other 13-inch remains as a quad-core, but these are Intel's new 8th and 9th generation processors. The most important part is that the keyboard gets a full revamp, and apparently if you have the newer 2018 MacBook Pro, which is the one I have, you get a replacement keyboard that matches the new generation. You can learn more about that in the description as well. Obviously, price tags are crazy. Now let's move the spotlight over to Honor, because the Honor 20, Honor 20 Pro, Honor 20 Lite, which was already unveiled previously, now become official in the UK. We've got price points $499 and $599. We've got a full video with specifications, details on why these phones matter. Obviously, I know what your biggest question over these phones is. I know I couldn't cover it in the hands-on video because it was pre-recorded before all the news broke, so we're going to talk about it in the last segment of this video. And how about if we continue talking about Samsung when it comes to rumors that they're going to bring full 5x and even 10x optical zoom smartphone. If you remember, they acquired Core Photonics, which is the company that made the lossless zoom possible on Oppo phones. Now we've got rumors that it's coming as of later this year, but apparently it's not coming to the Galaxy Note. It seems that it's coming to another special smartphone. We wonder which one will that be. Stay tuned for that. And finally, the hottest news today, probably the most important, have to do with Huawei. Obviously, I know that there are a ton of concerns from you over what will happen if you're a current Huawei user. We're going to tell you what we know, and obviously this is going to evolve over time. The first thing that I know is that if you currently own a Huawei phone, you should not worry. These phones are not going to be affected. I do know that it will affect new phones going forward. We do know that the Department of Commerce of the United States is restricting a little less when it comes to Huawei. Apparently, they're giving them 90 days, and we're not exactly sure what those 90 days entail. So you don't have to worry for the next 90 days as well, I guess. But apparently, Huawei has been working on an alternative for the longest time. Since 2012, they've been working on their own operating system that also supports Android applications. So for those of you that wonder about the future of Huawei, there are rumors that that might be it. Though, obviously, again, this is a topic that's continuously evolving. So again, if you're a current Huawei user, you should not worry right now. We will keep you posted if you should. In the comments down below, let us know, what do you think? Do you think that Huawei should keep Android going forward? Do you think that Huawei should move on to its own thing? 50% of Huawei smartphones depend on everything that's outside of China. So I feel that obviously Android is a big player, but I think that Huawei has enough scale to make even Android worry about what the future should be. So I would love to know what you think in the comments down below, as I'm still scratching my head over what the best alternative is. And obviously the next 90 days are going to tell us a lot about the future. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. Also follow us on social media, as our extended coverage also happens on Instagram. I'm sure you can follow my personal handles in case you want to see weird running photos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.